Have you ever seen a giraffe sneeze? No. Here's why. Giraffes don't sneeze like we do. Their long, dry noses filter out dust naturally. And get this, giraffes only sleep about 20 minutes a day. That's it. Now, why would a giraffe need to sneeze if their nose is already long and dusty? Well, it's not for filtering out dust. It's for something else entirely. And they do it standing up. And when they finally decide to sneeze, they do it with a lot of force, like a huge explosion of air. This helps to clear out all the dust and debris that has been stuck in their nose hairs. You see, when giraffes are out in the sun, their noses get very dry. Now, you know. Don't stories like this remind you of just how amazing nature is?